building to a crescendo all week, and very shortly it will be for real. We have all the action for you live. Hello and welcome. This is the scene here at Molineux. I'm Derek Ray and delighted to have Stuart Robson sharing commentary duties with me. And very much looking forward to bringing you action from the Premier League. It's Wolverhampton Wanderers facing Manchester City.
Well, Derek, when looking forward to this game, you can't help but notice there are some great matchups all over the pitch, particularly in those central areas. Whichever team wins more of those battles will win the game.
And here's the Wolves lineup.
Well, it's a 4-5-1, so they will be very compact out of possession. But they'll need to break forward quickly when they win the ball back. And key to that will be the wide players. This should be a really interesting game.
Introducing the starting players for Manchester City. Ederson gets the nod in goal. Manuel Akanji plays alongside Ruben Dias in central defence. İlkay Gündoğan plays alongside Mateo Kovacic in central midfield. And leading the line today is Erling Haaland. And the match is underway. Chance for Bernardo Silva, and that's an excellent piece of defending to thwart him. Jürgen Strand Larsen. Chance here. Couldn't grab hold of it. Oh, did so well to deny him. Now, how about the short corner? And quick thinking defensively. Up behind for another corner. Trying to deliver it accurately. Not really the ideal clearance. Gvardiol. Well, it's always a great thrill to watch Erling Haaland in action. He can be absolutely unstoppable, and we should expect that he'll have a prominent role to play in this one, Stuart.
Well, he's a natural goal scorer. He just has great awareness of space in the box. And, of course, he's a top-class finisher.
He's in here. Nicely timed tackle.
Please turn your lights off.
Lewis. Ryan Ait Nouri. Mateus Cunha. Now he must favour the cross. Just wasn't going to part with the ball. Passing it through. Mateo Kovacic. Gvardiol. Akanji has it. Doku. Haaland. Jeremy Doku. Really fine piece of defending play to break it up. Jürgen Strand Larsen. And here's Cunha. Well, it's pass after pass, keeping their opponents thinking. Ryan Ait Nouri. Good patient build-up as they try to fashion something. And nicely cut out. Can he do it to take the lead? Spot on with that tackle. And time is up as far as the first half is concerned here in the West Midlands. Not really typical of Bernardo Silva, is it? He's struggling to make an impact here.
Well, Derek, he's looked short on confidence and he's lacked that bit of quality that we normally see from him. As a result, I'm not sure they're going to get a winner here.
So back underway here into the second half. Holland. Excellent defending. Mateus Cunha. Gomes. Encouraging from the Wolves' point of view. Oh, might be. And pushed away to safety. And he has options available. Angles it back. Fine tackle there to prevent the chance. 30 minutes left for play. Holland. It might be on for them. A good and fair challenge. Possession lost by Wolves. What was the chance they could get caught out on the break here? Will they profit from this situation? And finally up a cul-de-sac. Nouri. And here's Cunha. Could be threatening. Very quick thinking there. Gundogan. Holland. Well, the referee not too happy with the challenge and blows for a free kick. A change in the offing for City. And a confident clearance. Bodies forward and the break looks on. Manchester City still on the attack as the minutes tick away. Can they come up with a winner? Shaping to shoot. And what a magical save it was! Both managers deciding this is the time to change things around. Both teams going to the bench.
Substitution for Manchester City. Coming off the pitch, number 3, Ruben Dias. Coming onto the pitch.
And the short option preferred.
John Stones.
Behind for another corner. Can they cash in? And a short corner, let's see. Well, behind for another corner. Taken short. Another corner conceded. What can they do with this one?
Well, just look at that reaction. What a challenge that is.
Let's see about the delivery. It might still be problematic. It was an attack of promise, but they couldn't take advantage of the situation. And that is it for the 90 minutes. Level pegging here.